Hey everybody, we've got an exciting new trap at Tomahawk Live Trap. This is the Humane Roundhouse trap. It's a unique style design specifically for feral cats. It features a round body to eliminate any straight edges and corners. That way when an animal is trapped, they're not digging in a corner. They're more content. They've got a nice plastic cover. It's a very easy trap to use and set. It has a little magnet lock on the door just to kind of hold it tight and prevent any trapped cats from pulling it open. What you're going to do to set it, you just simply push the door in, open it up till it's past the trip plate at the bottom. There's a little lip on the trip plate here, and you just lift the trip plate so that that lip is now caught on the door. There's a built-in bait cage here and a easy release sliding door on the top, so you can open that up. It just has a spring lock. You can completely remove the door for transfer if you need to. When an animal steps on that trip plate inside of the trap to get to the bait, the door will shut. And then you've got a cat. You also have a handle on the side for easy carrying. And it features that plastic cover inside the trap to give them some protection from the elements and also to make them a little more calm inside the trap. Easy transfer on the top. You can line up a transfer cage. And you tilt, transfer into a transfer cage. This is the new Roundhouse trap from Tomahawk Live Trap. You can get yours at livetrap.com.